Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 7 civics chapter 2 role of government in health. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying the video, and if you like the video and want to watch more such videos, you can get the link of playlist in the description box as well as in end of the video. And also comment me and tell me where from you are watching the videos. Let's start today's video. First question is, health means our dash to remain free from illness and injuries. Answer is our ability. Next question is, 21% of all communicable diseases are dash borne. Answer is water. 21% diseases are waterborne. Next question is, government uses dash money for providing many public services for the benefit of all citizens. Answer is tax. Different kind of taxes are paid by us. That money is used for providing public facilities. Next question is, the public health service is a dash of health centers and hospitals run by the government. Answer is chain. It is a chain of health centers. Next question is, public health centers are linked together so that they cover dash rural and urban areas and can provide treatment to all kind of problems. Answer is both, so that they can cover rural as well as urban areas for all kind of problems. Next question is, according to Indian Constitution, it is the dash duty of government to provide health care facilities to all. Answer is primary. It is primary duty of government. Next question is, health is a much dependent on dash amenities and social conditions of people as it is on health care services. Answer is basic. Basic amenities like food and water. Health is dependent on food and water also. Next question is, India is the dash largest producer of medicines in the world and is also a large exporter of medicines. Answer is third. You can see during COVID, medicines are provided to different countries by India. Next question is, private health facilities are not owned or controlled by the government. Private health services are not provided by government. Next question is, generic name are the dash names of drugs. Answer is chemical. They are the chemical name of drugs. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.